G'day guys, it's JB. In this video I'm going to do a little bit of restoration and sharpening of these old rusty garden scissors. And doing that, I'm going to use the Shapton Pro 320 and some sandpaper. These have definitely seen some better days. They're absolutely rooted. Alright, so one thing we need to do is remember how we took it apart so we can put it back together. These are a pair that I did the other day. They were much less complicated and they come out really nice. So the next step is you want to find a tap. You can do it in your sink. I like to do it this way, it's a little bit less messy. Because this is single bevel, you want to rub one side completely flat, and then on the other side you want to follow the geometry. There's a flat area here, and there's a bit of a primary bevel here, and then your secondary bevel on top. You can see that's already starting to work. I think that's good enough on this side. I'm just going to rub it flat for this little bit, and then we'll increase the angle when we get onto this side. When you're trying to get onto this bit here, I find it's easier to have the stone like this. Try and get the angle. I'm pretty happy with that. We're not here to make it perfect. Once you're happy with the finish, then we can put an edge on it. So you want to use a pretty steep angle. Start on the bottom, work your way through all the way to the tip. You want to alternate between doing the edge and then rubbing it flat. Got a nice sharp edge on it. Give it a good spray and soak with this. Because we've exposed bare metal, you want to put some sort of protection on it. Now let's put it back together. And there you have it. Looks a lot better. And very sharp. Cheers guys.